Presenting the 2018 Flagstaff Superlight Model 26 FKSB. Two 30-pound propane tanks, power jack, power awning with LED lights under the awning, outdoor speakers, seamless windows, the ability to bring your television outside. This has a door to the bedroom, which you'll be able to see when we look at that inside. Pass-through storage. I'll show you the storage in a moment. At the rear we've got a ladder and pre-wired for a backup camera, as well as the outdoor shower and utility access. And it comes with a barbecue that mounts on this rail. It has the Torflex suspension system with aluminum wheels. A storage compartment up front here. What you see there is the bicycle rack that fits on the ladder, and that is included. The storage compartment at the rear is very large. Pass through, lots of room back here. And that box you see there is the barbecue, which, as I say, is included. The floor plan is a front kitchen, and as typical of front kitchens, lots of counter space and lots of storage. 3-burner stove, oven, microwave, and hood fan. And of course here we have the fridge freezer combination with raised panels. Nice big closet here by the door for hanging your clothes in whatever fashion you wish. So as you see there, we've got some hooks. Those cupboards, those shelves are removable. So you've got your choice either to have it as a cupboard, pantry, or closet, whichever you prefer. The entertainment center is a large television with a sound bar to provide surround sound. And right opposite that is your sofa. It is a tri-fold sofa that folds out to make a queen-size bed. And to the right of that is the table and chair configuration with lots of windows, cross ventilation, and nice and bright. The bathroom is spacious with sink, vanity, medicine cabinet, and fully enclosed shower, and of course with a skylight and fantastic fan. And of course what's very unique about this model is this is the only model we have with a rear bedroom. So a queen-size bed, lots of storage over the bed, and on either side of the bed, and of course a door to the outside, plus the ability to bring another television in here if you wish to do that. And as is common with this style of trailer, you have the wardrobe slide. It provides cupboards on the left and a closet on the right, and they're nice and deep, so there's plenty of room for your clothing. Well, this trailer weighs approximately 6,000 pounds. It is a luxurious couples trailer with many features that we would love to show you if you would come in and see it in person at our lot here in Mono. Thank you for watching this video.